Toshomingo by Zach Bryan is going to be played in standard tuning and is capoed on the 6th fret of the guitar. From this point forward, I'll be speaking of these frets and these shapes as though the capo were the nut, and call them shapes like C and A minor, and frets like 1, 2, 3, and 4, instead of their real chord names, which would be like an F sharp major maybe. Alright, so the opening lick, your ring finger needs to be on the 2-string 3 fret. You pluck that, and then you slide it up to the 2-string 5 fret. So you pluck and slide. Then, with your first finger, you need to be ready to go down on the 1-string 3 fret. Pluck that while leaving your ring finger where it is. And then you'll open up the 1 string and pluck that. So we've got 2nd string, 3 fret to 5 fret on the slide. 1st string, 3 fret, 1st string open. Come back now with your ring finger to the 2-string 3 fret. Pluck that once, and then go with your first finger to the 2-string 1 fret. And that's the opening lick. Very slowly. And you can pick that with your right hand however is comfortable, but I'm going down, up, down, up, down, up with my right hand right there. After you get to this note, you're going to fall into a C shape. Your ring finger needs to go to the 5-string 3 fret. Your 2nd finger needs to go to the 4-string 2 fret. You'll have an open 3 string. Your 1st finger is, like I said, on the 2-string 1 fret. You'll have an open 1 string. Whenever you get to this note, you'll fall into the C shape, pluck the 5-string 3 fret, and then strum across the rest of the chord. Then you're going to come back to this string, the 4th string, where your 2nd finger is on the 4-string 2 fret. You'll pluck that string, and you'll immediately slide that finger up to the 4-string 5 fret. And then you'll come back down to the 4-string 2 fret, open the 4th string, and then what Zach Bryan is doing is he's going to an E minor shape with his 2nd ring fingers, putting the 2nd finger on the 5-string 2 fret and ring finger on the 4-string 2 fret, 5-string 2 fret, 4-string 2 fret. But after this run here out of the C, instead of a full E minor, really you just hear him emphasize the 5-string 2 fret on the recorded version. So play it as a full E minor if you want, but I would focus on trying to emphasize the 5-string 2 fret so that we get very slowly from the beginning. So, after you hit that 5-string 2 fret, you're then going to slide up to the 5-string 5 fret. 5-string 2 fret, 5-string 2 fret. Now, whenever you hit that slide, that's where you can hear Zach Bryan's hand kind of hit that open 6th string and you get the E minor feel. So you'll slide to the 5-string 5 fret. You'll pick the 5 string again. You'll come down to the 5-string 3 fret. And you'll open the 5 string. And then you'll go back 5-string 2 fret. So out of the C, we're getting this. Very slowly again out of the C. Go back into a C chord. Now the way that the C chord comes in is on an up strum. So here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Like in an and. So that's an up strum there because you're kind of jumping the beat just slightly to get back to the C. Whenever you get to that C, you're up strumming into it, and then you immediately down strum back to your 4-string 2 fret, hit that, and slide it back up to the 4-string 5 fret. So slide to the 4-string 5 fret, come right back down to the 4-string 2 fret, and then open the 4th string. So you get. Now with that, you can either just emphasize the open 4th string. I feel like I'm hearing it may just be unintentional, but the 4th string and the 3 string kind of happening together in a picking pattern, so that you hear a little bit of that open 4 and a little bit of that open 3. And then back into the E minor shape. And then repeat that riff from the E minor of the E minor, and then 5-string 2 fret slid to the 5-string 5 fret, down to the 5-string 3 fret, open 5, and then back into the 5-string 2 fret with the E minor shape. So the whole thing is coming together slowly like this from the beginning. Jump back up strum into a C chord. The C chord will be the same as before, except for throughout most of the C chord you can hear that Zach Bryan has his pinky finger down on the 1-string 3 fret instead of the 1 string being open. That's with an open 1 string. Take your pinky finger, pull it back, put it down on the 1-string 3 fret, and you get the way that he is playing the C chord most of the time. So the lyrics begin over the C chord for just a second, and then it falls down to an A minor chord. That's an open 5-string, 2nd finger to the 4-string 2 fret, ring finger to the 3-string 2 fret, 1st finger still on the 2-string 1 fret, and you'll open up the 1 string here for your A minor. After strumming down, 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 up, and also that's kind of the strumming pattern. Once we get into the strumming, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, C, down, down, up, A minor, down, down, up. After down, 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 up on the A minor, you'll move with your 2nd finger to the 5-string 2 fret. You'll leave your 1st finger where it is on the 2-string 1 fret, and you want to put your pinky finger back down on the 1-string 3 fret. And here you're strumming from the fretted 5 string down to that fretted 1 string. Avoid the 6th string here. And you can see how as I'm strumming, I really kind of pull my thumb around to just let the meat of my thumb rest on the 6th string so that it's muted, so that even if I do hit that 6th string, it's not really powering through. And then we come back to the C chord. And you can hammer on and pull off with your 2nd finger from that 4-string 2 fret all you want. A minor to that walking kind of B feel, B note or relative B note, back to the C. C chord, A minor chord, lifting your pinky finger and then putting your pinky finger back down for this walking B up into the C. And it just does that as the verse. Now whenever we get to the chorus, I would leave my 1st finger down as a home base throughout all of these chords, but the 1st chord is an F chord. The way that I'm making the chord is I'm reaching around with my thumb on the 6th string to grab that 1st fret, while my ring finger is going to the 5-string 3 fret, pinky finger to the 4-string 3 fret. My 2nd finger is hammering on into the 3-string 2 fret position, all while again my 1st finger, I'm going to stop mentioning it. I'm going to try to stop mentioning it because it's on the 2-string 1 fret the whole time. Down, 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 up is still our strumming pattern here. So for the C chord, lift up your pinky finger, move your 2nd finger to the 4-string 2 fret, leave your ring finger where it is, let your thumb go from fretting to just muting, and there's your C chord. G chord, ring finger to the 6-string 3 fret, 2nd finger to the 5-string 2 fret, open 3, open 4, open 3, 2 on the 1 fret, pinky finger pulled back to the 1 string 3 fret, down, 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 up, and then the A minor, which is the same A minor as earlier in the song. F to the C, to the G, to the A minor, to the F, to the C, to the G, to the A minor. So that's what the strumming pattern is doing there in the chorus. Now there's another guitar part that is happening. Something like that. So if we come up to, leave the capo on, we're going to come up on the 4th string to the relative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fret. Put your ring finger down there, and then put your first finger on the 3 string relative 5 fret. And you're just going to be alternating 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3 the whole time. And I'm going thumb first, thumb first, thumb first. Or you can do it with a pick, but I'm finger picking it. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 set of counts on those 2 notes. And the next set of notes are going to be the 4 and 3 strings relative 5 frets. Finger that however you want. And then leave your 3 string still fretted on that relative 5 fret. The 3 string is going to be fretted right here on the 5 fret throughout the entire little round. The 3rd set of notes, so 1st set, 2nd set, the 3rd set is to open up the 4 string, and you'll go 1 and 2 and then 1st finger to the 5 string 2 fret, and alternate now between 5 and 3, 3 and 4 and, so we've got so 4, 3, 4, 3, 5 fret, 2 fret, and then open the 5 string. So it does that a couple times. And then there's a change where it goes, these first 2 are the same, but instead of opening the 4 string, it goes to the 4 string 2 fret, and then the 5 string 2 fret. It opens the 5 string, then 2nd finger to the 6 string 3 fret, then open the 6 string, then back to the 6 string 3 fret. And it just cycles like that. First time through, open the 4 string, 2nd time through, go to the 4 string 2 fret, last time through, go to the 4 string 2 fret again, and do that little lick like that. So, and there's other kind of nuanced texture stuff happening in the song, but that's the highlights of how to pull off the rhythm, and maybe if you've got somebody else that's wanting to add another guitar part. Those are the chords and the movements to Toshomingo by Zach Bryan. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to approach the song.